Kids are born creators. They're able to create, build, and learn from anything and everything that surrounds them. But when it comes to the toys today, are they smart enough for our future creators? Meet Tinkamo, the smart building blocks designed for creators of the future. They are building blocks with eyes, ears, arms, legs, and brains so they can see things, hear things, make sounds, and light, move, and think. Tinkamo is created to be played in the real world with real friends to solve real problems and have real fun.
Thanks. It's Elsa's magic.
Those mini games are fun and inspiring. My children love learning coding with it.
This morning I used my Tinkamo and created my own life.
Tinkamo had combined art, design, engineering, and AI. The result is diversified creations by the kids.
Tinkamo Flow Programming is the right tool for beginners, and it provides an add-on to use Scratch and Python. This is excellent for educators.
Our team is made up of designers, educators, architects, makers, moms, dads, and kids. The mission of Tinkamo is to encourage kids to be more than consumers of technology, but be creators of it. Therefore, we need to make technology super easy and fun by design. We have spent the last 2 years researching, designing, and testing Tinkamo. Our first generation product won a Good Design Award in 2017. 6 months ago, we joined Hacks, the largest hardware accelerator investor in the world. Afterwards, we've made steady progress, and the new generation of Tinkamo is more kid-friendly, capable, and cost-effective. Many kids, families, and schools are enjoying it right now, but we need your support to mass produce it so your kids can enjoy the latest technologies and acquire the essential skills to lead the future.
Introducing SparkMaker Full HD, the most affordable 1080p SLA 3D printer. Featuring better printing quality, faster printing speed, and larger building volume. And the most important thing is that we keep the Full HD version affordable, as always. Our approach to making affordable 3D printers has been proven in our first Kickstarter campaign. Now, we are back with the second generation of SparkMaker with 1080p high resolution. Thanks to the 1080p LCD screen, SparkMaker Full HD can achieve a resolution of 57 micrometers in XY axes and 25 micrometers in the Z axes, giving you more flexibility and freedom for jewelry, dental, or prototype designs. SparkMaker Full HD keeps the SD card slot so that you can easily print offline. To make printing more convenient, we developed an app to control the printer through your smartphone. Simply select the STL file in the app, and you can start printing wirelessly right away. We are also launching 4 additional types of resin, so you can have more options for your printings. It has been a great journey since we first launched on Kickstarter last year. We have met many very experienced 3D print fans and grew together. We appreciate all the help you guys bring us. Now, it is time to start a new journey, and let's make SparkMaker FHD together.
In Mexico, when I went to school, I followed the traditional path to learn English. We learned grammar, reading, writing, but my teachers could not actually speak the language. Does that sound familiar to you? Perhaps when you were learning Spanish? Let me go a little bit deeper. After I graduated from college, I decided to get a master's in teaching English as a second language in the US. So in 2010, before coming to the States, I continued to learn English and I used all kinds of resources on the internet and every language app available. But imagine my disappointment when I finally came to the US and discovered that when it came to speaking and listening to native English speakers, all my classroom studies seemed to be wasted, especially when it came to real-life communication. And it's a terrible feeling when you can picture the words and sentences, but you just can't say them. And this is something that happens to millions of learners worldwide. And this is the reason why the Need to Say app focuses on the other primary language skills: speaking, listening, and vocabulary. Hi, I'm Oscar Garcia. I've been a teacher of English as a second language for the last 13 years, and I've spent more than 20 years becoming an expert in linguistics. Well, what inspired me to spend all this time? It's very simple. It's the hundreds of international students, immigrants, and adults I have taught whose jobs and dreams depend upon their second language communication skills. As someone who's still working on correct pronunciation, I am fortunate to be empowered by strong knowledge of linguistics, as well as my communication teaching experience with students. My challenges have motivated me to help others. Over the years, as a college instructor, I saw students feeling inadequate because of their lack of English proficiency, but not anymore. Need to Say is here, now.
Need to Say is a language app that focuses on speaking the language, on correct pronunciation of useful words and sentences in specific situations, what you need to say when you need to say it. Our app makes it easy to find the situation you're in and find the right words. Our growing list of hundreds of video recordings of correct phonetic pronunciations helps you say what you need to say. It's like having an ESL teacher with you 24/7. There's such an aggressive need for what we're offering that even in prototype, our clients were grabbing what we were doing. It's a solution no one else is offering for a problem that everyone seems to be facing. The app is designed to help you learn how to say it, exactly how to form the sounds to be clearly understood. You get to customize your experience as part of a growing community of learners on your path to master your chosen language. At Need to Say, we believe in working with amazing people. This is why we've built an international team of talented and passionate teachers, designers, and developers all across North America, working to meet your language needs like no other app on the market.
We want you to become part of our success journey. Please support us financially by pledging to our Indiegogo campaign and pre-order the Need to Say app. Also, please share it on social media with family and friends and give us feedback so we can make it better and better. We need you today so we can make a better tomorrow for everyone. Thank you.
As a parent, the years go by fast. We watch as our children take their first steps. We watch as they learn to talk, as they learn to laugh and cry. It's not just about the years, it's about the moments. Fill those moments with music, stories, and plenty of fun. Introducing Woobo Mini. Woobo Mini is a soft, huggable friend with silicone ears that are teething friendly. Each feature is perfect for everyone in the family.
Play us a song, please.
Woobo Mini is a smart audio playmate for children. With the swift click of a button, your kids can hear a wide variety of songs and stories. It's easy to skip selections. Either press the next button on the toy, or use the parent app from your phone.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs who lived at home with their mom. When they were old enough to take care of themselves,
Woobo Mini's perfect design can weather any storm. With its extra soft and plush exterior protecting its smart interior, no accident, missed catch, or big squeeze is too strong. After a long day of fun, everyone has to go to bed. From the parent app, Mom and Dad can easily set up night mode, turning Woobo Mini into a nightlight. During night mode, children will not be able to activate songs or stories, so you can ensure they'll have a quiet night's sleep. From morning to night, Woobo Mini is a fun and exciting screenless addition to the family. Make each moment memorable with songs and stories from Woobo Mini. Smart, safe, simple, but most importantly, theirs to keep.